Lumpy Fridays. Today we've decided that instead of just doing a video on the car only, we'll have a little bit of an intro about the car and about the mods. So this particular car, nice little sleeper, VX, ex-police car, and the customer's wanting to keep it that way, bit of a, like I said, a sleeper. It's got the stealth cam in it, which is a nice big size camshaft that will work perfectly well with a standard high stall, and team that up with a good exhaust system. That's going to get a really nice note and a really good cam idle. Well, I guess enough of me speaking. Let's fire the car up and have a listen to it. Just with that cam, as you can see, it's got a nice little idle to it. But with Lumpy Fridays, have you got any ideas, anything you'd like to see specific? Comment in the note section, and hopefully we can try to put something together that's going to suit. Enjoy your Lumpy Fridays.